Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the detailed tutorial for this watch, Timex Classic Digital T78587. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode, and it should look like this. There's no word alarm or chrono on the top left. But if you see this word like alarm or CHR, then you can press the mode button until it doesn't show alarm or CHR. Okay, now in this timekeeping mode, you can activate or deactivate the button sound. And to do that, press the start stop button like this. Okay, and the indicator is that if the column between the hour and minute is flashing, that means the button sound is active. Okay, but if the column is not flashing like this, okay, then it means that the button sound is not active. Okay, the button sound is also connected to the hourly signal. Now let's set the time, date, and so on. And to do that, still in the timekeeping mode, press the set button on the top left. And now we can set the second. And for this one, you can press the start stop button to reset the second like this. And as a note, this will only reset the second. It will not round up, meaning that if you get the second from 30, 31, and so on, it will only become 0 without additional minute. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the minute. And for this one, you can press the start stop button to increase the number like this. And if it's already passing the number that you want, then you can just press and hold and then press one by one. Let me set as 27. Okay, and then next press the mode button and now we are setting the hour. So for this one, you can set the time format by pressing this one, the split reset button. So it is now the 24-hour format. And if I press again, now is the 12-hour format. And then to change the number, you can use this one, the start stop button, to increase the number. So let me set as 22, or in this case 10 p.m. Okay, and then next press the mode button and now we are setting this one, the month. You can use the start stop button again to increase the number. Okay, let me set as 1. And yes, next press again the mode button and now we are setting the date. Also the same thing, use the start stop button. And yes, let me set to 26 again. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the year. For this one, you can use the start stop button to increase the number. But if it's already passing the number that you want, then just press and hold. It will cycle back after 2099. Okay, so let me set as 2025. Yes, now press the mode button and we're back to the setting of the second. Now let me show you something that's unique with this watch. Okay, now the hour, 10 p.m. In the setting mode, it shows P or A on the top right, but if we exit from the setting mode, then the P or A is not showing anymore. Okay, so if you want a more, easy to understand, then maybe you need to try the 24-hour format. So let me set as 24-hour format. Something like this. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode, the alarm. And yes, to do that, press the mode button, alarm. And to set the time of the alarm, press the set button on the top left. And now this one is the hour. You can use the start stop button to change the number up like this. Let me set as 5. Okay, and then now press the mode button and we can set the minute. Also the same button, start stop, to increase the number. So let me set as 5:20. Okay, wait, 5:20. Okay, and then after that you can press the set button and exit from the setting mode. Okay, now if you want to activate or deactivate the alarm, easy. From this view, just press this one, the start stop button. So now it's not active or disarmed, and then press again if you want to activate the alarm or armed. Now let's move on to the next mode, and that is this one, the chronometer or the stopwatch. For this one, you can use the start stop to start and stop. Okay, or pause also, continue, and then pause, continue, and then pause or stop. And then to reset, use this one, the split reset button. Okay, you can also use the stopwatch or the chronometer for split time, so press the start stop and then press this one, the split reset button, to get the split time like this, and it will freeze for about 10 seconds. Okay, and then it will continue running after that, so it should be jumping to 16. Okay, and yes, you can use the split button again after that, and so on. Anyway, you don't have to wait for the split time to running again. You can just press if you need another split time like this. Okay, now to stop, use the stop button, and to reset, of course, using this one, the reset button. And yes, now let's get back to the timekeeping mode. Press the mode button and done. And yes, I forgot one thing. If you want to activate the backlight, easy, just press the lower right button, so it will activate the Indiglo like this. And yes, that's all for this tutorial. If I missed something, then please add in the comment below. It will be helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.